So we got test subject number 1, Alexis. Got test subject number 1. Want to say something before you go up there? Wait. Shut in.
I got mom pills. I know how I feel.
It hurt?
Well, he putting the coloring on there.
Go ahead.
Your turn.
Yeah, I'm scared. I'm a pump.
No.
How you feel?
Great. Let me see.
Let's see. Turn this way.
AJ, turn the camera off.
All right.
Yeah, I'm scared.
There's nothing to be scared about.
I can still talk good, Shawty. Keep talking.
Don't worry, it's coming.
It's coming.
Thank you.
Rinse.
Don't worry, it's coming.
Ooh, Erica, breathe in.
Just stay calm. Don't be nervous.
Yeah, stop being nervous.
It don't really hurt like that.
No.
It don't really hurt.
Right,
It's like a peach.
You should look at my face.
You blink.
Exactly.
It's just like somebody pinched you. It don't hurt.
If it's all the same, we love you.
Yeah, I'm trying to tell somebody.
All right, we won't. She got a long tongue.
She sure do.
She got a long tongue.
Hell yeah, I wish my tongue was that damn long. Ooh, Erica!
She like she wanna cry.
She gonna cry when she get home.
Try to go like this?
That little line you gotta
How you
run
feel?
over.
That ain't hurt.
Yeah, I know.
It's like a peach.
The camera synced the whole
We can
thing.
go now, or you got something else to do?
That's it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.